sunshine. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Patricia, and I am traveling for history. I am in Sheldon, Vermont today, and I'm going to talk about this house right across from us. This was built in 1850, that's 1850, by Henry Hawley. This Greek Revival style design home features a second floor over the front porch. Trudeau home for 55 years, and of the Kittell family from 1926 to 1996. Now, it is hard to see the details because it has vinyl siding on it, but we can see the Greek Revival style in the pediment right here. This is the pediment, and see those pieces there? That would be a dead giveaway to me that it has at least Greek Revival style harkenings. The pediment, Greek Revival style, so termed because of, like, the Parthenon building, for instance, the Greek buildings, and the pediment was the place for the statuary to be. Now, that I've not seen that in a building in the U.S. yet, at least not in Vermont, but who knows. And the second floor porch, the roof over the porch, that's quite a nice touch. So it looks like a deep, it's deep enough that there is some shade, which is nice, but it's not a very deep porch. Alrighty. Not going to do a walk around because it's someone's home, but anyway, this is Patricia, and I'm traveling for history. If you like my videos, please subscribe. 297 and counting. So close to 300. Do you think we can get there by the end of the month? It gives us 5.5 days or so. I think we could. Anyway, regardless, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate that. This is Patricia, and I'm traveling for history. Until I see you again, have a fabulous afternoon. Thanks for watching.